the ultimate homemade brownie recipe and the kitchen to bake them in. Brownies, fudgy, gooey, and the cure for just about anything life throws your way. But let's be honest, baking these chocolatey delights in a cramped kitchen with a wobbly oven rack and zero counter space is anything but sweet. If your baking adventures feel more like an obstacle course, don't worry, your favorite Space Coast Realtor is here to help you upgrade your baking battleground. But first, let's whip up some brownies. The best homemade brownie recipe. Ingredients: half a cup unsalted butter, melted, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, half a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half a cup of chocolate chips. Optional, but highly recommended. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease an 8x8-inch baking pan. In a bowl, whisk together melted butter, sugar, eggs, and vanilla. Stir in cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, and salt until just combined. Fold in the chocolate chips if you're feeling a little extra indulgent. Pour the batter into a prepared pan and spread evenly. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out with a few moist crumbs. Let cool, if you can wait, before slicing into squares. Enjoy every gooey bite. Pro tip: sprinkle a pinch of sea salt on top before baking for a gourmet touch. And now, about that kitchen. If your current setup has you balancing mixing bowls on top of your dishwasher or sifting flour over the sink, it might be time for an upgrade. Imagine baking brownies in a kitchen with a spacious island, state-of-the-art appliances, and gasp, double ovens for twice the brownie goodness. As your trusted Space Coast Realtor, I know just the homes with dreamy kitchens that can turn any baking day into a blissful experience. Whether you're whipping up brownies, kneading dough, or just licking the spoon, no judgment here. Let's find you the perfect space to bake your heart out. Call, text, or send me a smoke signal. Let's make your kitchen dreams a reality. Now, pass the brownies. To start your home search, click the link below to preview some homes. And here's that link, and y'all have an amazing day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.